Hi, I'm James Canale from Peterson Cat in San Leandro, California. Today I'm going to show you how to carefully and properly work underneath loader arms on a Caterpillar 226B skid steer. I'm around on the other side of the machine, getting ready to lower the brace so we can get the loader arms up into position safely. Now I'm going to raise the loader arms. Now we have the loader arms in the raised position, which makes a safe work environment for a technician. Once the cab is flipped, they can get to the pumps, change any hoses they need to change, make any necessary adjustments without having to worry about the loader arms coming down and crushing. Now, as you can see, I have the loader arm brace in position, holding the loader arms up so that a technician can now work in the pump compartment safely without worrying about being crushed by loader arms coming down. Now I'm going to show you how to stow the lift arm brace. As you can see, I just laid this plate on top of this pin, and as the loader arms go back up, when I get back inside the machine, the pin will fall into this notch. Then we just remove the pin from the loader arm brace, put it in its stowed position. Then we take the plate, hold it back in place on the right hand lift cylinder. And that's how you safely raise and lower the loader arms on a Cat 226B skid steer loader.